Christ Church, second oldest church. 9th September 1844, the foundation of Christ Church by Colonel J.T. Boileau. Given license in 1846 on 11th October. Sanctified in 10th January 1857. Cornerstone was laid on 9th September 1844 by Bishop Daniel Wilson, Bishop of Calcutta. Estimated cost of construction at that time was Rs 40,000 to Rs 50,000. Consecration was done by Bishop Reverend Thomas Daltry. Neo-gothic style. Clock donated and installed by Colonel Dumbleton in 1860. 13 years of construction. The porch was added in 1873. A British manufactured pipe organ was installed in 1899, which was extensively renovated in 1932. 6 bells were put in 1900 by James Walker and Macworth Young. Contains some touching Raj-era memorials and typical Victorian stained glass. The fresco that surrounds the chapel window was designed by Lockwood Kipling, Rudyard Kipling fathers. The first Indian Chaplain of Christ Church Shimla was B.S. Chander 1948 to 1957.